display. Inside of the small module, Fitbit included a rectangular OLED display that puts up a no-frills, bicolored visual presentation. The Alta, despite its fancy looks, is a fairly basic tracker, and the display is a reflection of that, but still provides easy-to-read, bite-sized snippets of information. It might be a limitation of the tech, but the Fitbit app conceals this wearable's weakness with a minimalistic user interface. Fitbit Alta. To turn on the Alta from standby mode, tap the screen twice or just flip your wrist like you would to check a watch. Either command will push the time and date, wrapped in any one of the few vertical or horizontally oriented watch faces you've selected in the Fitbit companion app. From here, tap once to flip the page and show another metric, like calories burned. There are 4 pages in total to navigate through until you cycle back again to the time and date. In my experience, you have to make a very concerted tap action to get any sort of response from the Alta. Even then, I found it hard to reliably get results switching between pages.